What's up YouTube, it's your boy Mike D. So sorry I'm a little dirty, I was working on my car, but I got my last titanium parts in the mail today. So today I want to do a quick video on unboxing all the titanium parts I got for the car. Alright, so these are the boxes right here. We'll start with the smallest box. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so I ordered a bunch of dress up hardware for the engine bay, all in titanium, from Z-Spec Design. So it's just a bunch of nuts and bolts, all titanium, that I want to do in the engine bay for to dress it up to get ready for the show that's here in a couple days. So they all look nice. It's all the burnt. I got all burnt titanium for most of all my parts. But yeah, so here's a bunch of hardware. Everything looks good. Alright. This was terribly boxed or packaged. Okay. Alright, so this is the only titanium part that I got that was used. It's the ARC exhaust manifold heat shield. So y'all may or may not know, ARC is a JDM company. They make really good parts. Well, they used to make good parts. They actually went out of business. Everything's discontinued now. The shield was pretty hard to get, and it's light, really light compared to the. I have a stainless one on there now, and it's super heavy compared to this. I mean, this literally probably weighs like less than half a pound. Yeah, real nice piece. It's titanium, but it's not the burnt titanium. But nevertheless, it's still a nice quality piece, and it should look good in the engine bay. Alright. Right, got some more hardware. So these are valve cover bolts. So I forgot to order that from the other company, so I ordered them from this Chasing J's, I believe. I'll link them in the description box below. They make some pretty good quality titanium products. So yeah, burnt as well. So this is the valve cover hardware. I think this is the last of the hardware I ordered. And they also offered a oil cap for the 4G63 Evo motor. It's titanium, burnt titanium. The full thing is titanium. Really nice piece. I think that is like the finishing touch. That'll kind of set the engine bay off. I'm really excited about this piece. So ARC, like I told you before, they're discontinued. They're the only ones that offered a titanium spark plug cover for the 4G63. And it's a beautiful piece, but it's expensive. I think there's one on eBay right now. Someone's trying to sell for like $2 grand. Like, who's gonna buy that? But so Chasing J's actually offers a burnt titanium spark plug cover. Nice piece, it really is. I mean, it's not as nice as the ARC piece, but you know, I'm not paying $2,000 for a piece of metal. So yeah, it's burnt. It'll look good in the engine bay, and it'll complement everything really nicely. It'll set everything off. So yeah, so that got that piece. All right, this is the last piece, and this is the one I'm the most excited for. So if you don't follow him on IG, you guys should hit him up and check out his website. He sells a bunch of nice titanium products. It's rktitanium.com, or RK Titanium, I think is IG. So they offer a bunch of stuff, mainly for like Evos and BMWs and stuff, but they also offer some GTR stuff. I forgot to say, sorry about the room. It's a mess. This is actually my guest bedroom, but it's turned into my part storage room. See, I don't know if y'all can see that, but RK titanium. So I ordered his titanium upper intercooler piping. I mean, for Evo 789, but it should fit my car just fine. Man, this thing is sick. This thing is gorgeous. So this is the lower pipe, or the lower part of the intercooler piping. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's so nice. Oh man, it's light. It's a beautiful piece. His stuff is all nice. It's a little pricey, but I mean, you get what you pay for. It's quality stuff. And I just want to give a shout out to him because he got all my pieces done and out to me right before the car show, so I'll be able to have it for the car show. So this is the longer pipe of the upper intercooler piping. Yeah, that's badass. Check that out, guys. Oh man. Oh, this thing is beautiful. This thing is gorgeous. Put the little logo right there, RKTI. It's got the flange, titanium flange for the tile blowout valve on there. Man, this piece is really nice. So light. All the wells look gorgeous. Can't recommend his stuff enough, guys. I really can't. If you guys got the money and got the time, you guys should definitely check him out. And I think he may even do some custom pieces for different cars. So, you know, just like I said, hit him up. Really nice guy. Customer service is great. Always got back to me real quick whenever I had a question. And he also threw in some titanium clamps, which was badass. He didn't have to do it, but he did. And he also supplies his own couplers, silicone couplers, with the RK titanium on there. And here's some more. So yeah, I ordered quite a few pieces from him, but that was the main piece, the upper intercooler piping. Everything else is relatively smaller pieces, but they all are going to complement each other in the engine bay and look really good. So this is like a valve cover, heat shield kind of, and so it kind of goes right in the front of the valve cover, and kind of protects the heat from the exhaust manifold. As you can see, got a custom logo on there, and Evo V. That's my IG, so if you guys don't know, follow me on there. Alright, nice piece. It's going all with the burnt. It's all the burnt theme. So. This is a nice piece. So this is just a upper intercooler pipe. So it'll replace the hose, upper intercooler hose, or I'm sorry, the upper radiator hose, upper radiator pipe. So it'll just replace the hose that I have up there. So some a little more bling in the engine bay. Really nice. A little heat shield, cam sensor heat shield. There's the logo, titanium, also on the burnt. Looks really good. Another nice piece. So this is just the power steering pump heat shield. So it goes right here on the side of the power steering pump to kind of protect the power steering pump from the heat coming out the turbo manifold. So nice. Again, the burnt color, or the burnt thing got going on. And I'm really impressed with the titanium work that he did. It's really good. Make sure you get everything on the list. Yeah. So the small piece is the cam trigger housing. So on the Evo 9 has two of them. The Evo 4 through 8 only has one. So I got that one in titanium. It's nice, burnt, the whole burnt thing. Looks good. So unfortunately, I know what this is, but I won't be able to put this on and ready for the show, but it'll be for later. It's a external wastegate hood dump for anybody using the Force Performance FP stock location mount turbos. So there it goes. Super nice with the logo on it again. And I kind of went out on a limb to buy this. I'm not quite 100% positive it'll fit with the Evo 5 hood, but I'm sure I can make it fit. And it's just a cool piece. I wanted a hood dump, and so when I put on my FP0 turbo and stuff, I'm gonna hook this up, and hopefully it'll work. Okay, so this is one of two. So he also makes titanium reservoirs. So I bought the power steering and that coolant overflow reservoir. So I believe this is a coolant reservoir, and it's nice. Go arcade titanium on the cover. Yeah, it's super nice. Actually, this is the power steering reservoir. And the very last piece is the coolant overflow reservoir. Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's super beautiful piece. I don't know. I can't say enough nice things about Arcade Titanium. I mean, their products are top notch. They look so good. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut it short here, guys. I gotta get back out there and try and get the car ready for the car show here in a couple days. I just got all my titanium parts in the mail, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing vid for you guys. Let me know what y'all think. Go ahead and leave me a comment, rate, share. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Alright, guys. And I'm gonna have a lot of videos getting ready to prep for this car show. So be on the lookout for those. And then I'll have a video on that went at the car show as well, okay? Alright guys, so until next time, peace.